Hello friends, this is Bhaskar, and today under constituency management we are going to discuss what all steps should a sitting MLA take for constituency management. So as per our extensive research, we understood that there are basically three steps, three phases in which a sitting MLA should prepare his constituency for the upcoming election, and I'm going to just discuss with you broadly the three phases. Like, first phase is assessing the current status of where he or she is today. So assessing the ground condition today. Then second phase is like work towards candidate accessible to all. So like in the first step, in the first phase, the candidate should see that where he or she stands today in terms of by doing surveys and other things. We will be coming to it, to these 7 points that he or she should do in order to assess his current status. Then once this phase is complete, then in second phase the candidate should work towards being accessible to all. So based on the inputs of the phase 1, the second phase work of the candidate is towards making himself or herself accessible to all the voters of his constituency, to all the citizens of his constituency, so that they experience oneness with their sitting MLA. So this is the second phase, and then the third phase comes. So as you can see, there are two cases. So first case is when the sitting MLA is the one whose party is in power. So he is one whose government is there, which is case 1. So what are the full-fledged campaigns that a sitting MLA with party in power should launch? And then there is case 2, where the sitting MLA is in opposition. So what all steps should this candidate who is sitting MLA should do in order to do full-fledged campaign? So these are the three phases. The first and second phase is common for both the sitting MLAs, whether the party is in power or is in opposition. Mostly it differs in the third phase in terms of full-fledged campaigns, which is, you can say, maybe like last 4 months before the election, where they do the extensive reach out to the voters. So their strategy in that last 4 months is different, but otherwise both these candidates should have to do common first phase and second phase.